Okay, children, so this is page number 43 of your math course book. Page number 43 of your math course book. One word problem is left. We'll finish this word problem. Okay, so I'll start reading this question now. Those who have completed, very good, but please check your statements. Okay, I'll be writing here. So this is Kashish decorated room with 34 red balloons. Okay, so there was one girl, Kashish. She has decorated her room with red balloons, 34 red balloons. Okay, she has used 34 red color balloons, right? 34 red balloons and 57 white balloons. Now she has used two color balloons, red color balloons and white color balloons. So she has used 34 red balloons and 57 white balloons. So now the question is, how many balloons she used in all? Now again, see here, in all word is there, right? In all word is there. This means you have to do addition. You have to do addition. So you have to write these given, you have to add these given numbers. But before adding these two numbers, what we have to do, we have to write the statement for this word problem, right? So we'll be writing statement. So how we'll write, see here children. So we'll start writing now. We can write number of red balloons used. How many red color balloons she used? She used 34. 34. Okay. Number of red balloons used equal to 34. Then next, what we will write? We'll write here number of white balloons used. Number of white balloons used equal to 57. 57. And you all have to write correct spelling and your handwriting should be neat and clean. Okay. So this is number of red balloons used equal to 34 and number of white balloons used equal to 57. Now we have Veda, look at your screen and start writing, Veda. Leave that. Okay. So now what you have to do is, you can see you have two digit numbers here. One is 34 and next is 57. So now you have to arrange these two numbers in tens and ones form. Okay. So we'll be arranging them. So this T stands for tens and O stands for ones, right? So your first number is 34. So we'll write 3 in tens place. We'll write 3 in tens place. And we'll write 4 in ones place. We'll write this 3 here in tens place and we'll write 4 here in ones place. Okay. Then your next number is 57. So again we'll write 5 here in tens place. We'll write 5 here in tens place and 7 here in ones place. Okay. So we have to add these two numbers. So we'll put here plus sign and then we'll start adding these two numbers. Fine. And whenever we are adding two numbers, we always start adding the number in ones place first. So now 4 plus 7, how much? 4 plus 7, how much? We'll start counting after 4 and we'll count forward 7. So 4 plus 7 is? Brinda? Brinda?
Yes, ma'am.
4 plus 7, how much?
4 plus 7.
కౌంట్ చేయి, ఇక్కడ కౌంట్ చేస్తున్నావుగా చూడు.
Start counting after 4 and count forward 7.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Yeah. 4 plus 7 is 11, children. So we'll write here 1 and other one will go as carry over in tens place and other one will go as carry over in tens place. Okay. So now we have to add the number in tens place. So in tens place numbers are 1, 3 and 5. Numbers are 1, 3 and 5. So now we have to add these three numbers. Rohit, you tell me. Rohit Chaudhary. Rohit, 3 plus 5, how much? Start counting after 3 and count forward 5. Show your 5 fingers. So yeah, start counting after 3. After 3.
4,
Yes.
5,
Yes. Yes,
5,
yes.
6,
Yes.
7,
Yes.
8.
Yeah, so 3 plus 5 is 8.
8.
And 8 plus 1, how much? After 8, count forward 1.
9.
Yeah. So 8 plus 1 is 9. So we'll write 9 here in tens place. Right. So this is 91. 34 plus 57 is 91, children. So we'll write the last statement now. So this is total number of balloons used equal to 91. So total number of balloons used equal to 91. Write this fast. Yes, children, write fast. So, okay. So is there anyone who is still writing? Is there anyone who is still writing this word problem? Please write fast. Those who are still writing, please write fast. And children, if you have completed, then please take out your math notebook. Math notebook, I said. Those who have completed, take out your math notebook, write date and classwork in your math notebook. Yes, children, those who have completed, take out your math notebook, write date and classwork in your math notebook. Okay, so I hope till now you all have completed. I'll clear all this. Yes. Okay, so children, now what you have to do is you have to in your math notebook you have to write this word problem. Come on, note down this question fast in your math notebook. This is, there are 57 blue fish. No need to draw these fish. Write down this question. This is your first word problem. Write this in your math notebook. There are 57 blue fish and 26 yellow fish. And they have asked you what is the sum. Sum means total. So write this question fast in your math notebook. Yes, children, write this word problem in your math notebook. It's not there in your book. You have to write this question in your notebook. Yes, children, write down this word problem and please write correct spelling. So this is, there are 57 blue fish and 26 yellow fish. What is this? And please write correct spelling. Yes, I'll give you one more minute. Okay, so I think now I gave you sufficient time, right? So we'll be writing statements. First, try to understand what is there in this word problem. See here, this is, there are 57 blue fish. How many blue fish? 57. And how many yellow fish? 26. 26. Okay. Now they are asking you what is the sum. Children, sum means total. Sum means total. And whenever total word is there, this means we have to do addition. We have to do addition. So there are 57 blue fish and 26 yellow fish. Right? And now they are asking you what is the sum. Sum means, again I'm repeating, sum means total. Total means we have to do addition. Right? So now what we'll do, we'll write the statement for this word problem. Okay, so your first statement is number of, what we'll write here, number of blue fish, number of blue fish equal to how many blue fish? 57. 57. Right. Then number of yellow fish, and please write correct spelling. Number of yellow fish equal to how many? 26. 6. How many yellow fish? 26. So now we have to arrange these two numbers 57 and 26 again in tens and ones form. Right. So T stands for tens and O stands for ones. So now we'll arrange this 5 and 7. So 5 will come in tens place and 7 will come in ones place. We'll put a plus sign because we are doing addition. So your next number is 26. So 2 will come in tens place and 6 will come in ones place. Right? So now we have to add these two numbers together. So in addition, we'll first add the number in ones place. That is, we'll add 7 and 6. First we will add 7 and 6. Okay. Dhirav. Dhirav. Dhirav, are you there? Dhirav, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. So now we have to add number in ones place. In ones place, numbers are 7 and 6. So now tell me 7 plus 6 how much? Huh? 13. Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, that's correct. So this is 7 plus 6 is 13. Children, we'll start counting after 7 and we'll count forward 6. So 7 plus 6 is 13. So we'll write 3 here in ones place and 1 will go as carryover in tens place. And 1 will go as carryover in tens place. So now we have to add the number in tens place. So now in tens place numbers are 1, 5 and 2. 1, 5 and 2. Sudhamsh.
5, 7.
Sudhamsh. Sudhamsh, am I audible to you? Sudhamsh. Sudhamsh.
Yeah, ma'am.
Arohi.
Remember?
Arohi. Yeah, Arohi, tell me how many numbers are there in tens place?
How many numbers are there?
Yes, Arohi. How many numbers? 3 numbers are there. Very good. 3 numbers are there. So now tell me, Arohi, 5 plus 2 how much? Start from. Yeah, 5 plus 2 is 7 and 7 plus 1?
8.
Yeah, 7 plus 1 is 8. So that's the correct answer. Very good, ROE. So children, we will write 8 here in tens place. We will write 8 here in tens place. So answer is 8383. Answer is 8383. So we'll write that. So your last statement is total number of fish. Total number of fish equal to 83. Total number of fish equal to 83. Come on, children, finish this word problem fast. And always remember this thing, sum means total. Okay. Yes, Ashrita. Unmute yourself. Yeah, Ashrita.
Ma'am,
Yes.
completed, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Okay. Children, is there anyone who is still writing? Is there anyone who is still writing? Is there anyone who is still writing? Children, I'm asking this for the last time. Is there anyone who is still writing? Now I'm clearing all this and we'll move to next word problem then. Okay, so next. Yes, children, write down this question. Next question is, there are 6, okay, fish is not written there. You can see picture of fish is there, but fish is not written there. So you can draw a fish here, or you can write there are 6 fish in a pond. 14 more fish are added. How many fish all together? Okay, if you want to draw fish, you can draw fish here, or else you can write here spelling F-I-S-H, fish, instead of drawing this fish. Okay, so note down this question and you have to write down this question in a new page. In a new page, you have to write down this question. This is, there are 6 fish in a pond. 14 more fish are added. How many fish altogether? Write down this question fast in your math notebook and please write it in a new page. Okay, children, I'll give you 1 more minute to write this question in your math notebook. Okay. Okay, so I hope till now you all have completed. We'll start it now. Yes, Ayan? Ayan, you need to unmute yourself.
Ma'am, I didn't complete, ma'am.
Okay, write fast then. Yes, children, please write fast. Please note down this question quickly. Okay. Children, now I hope you all have completed this. Okay, so now we'll start writing these statements. So now the question is, there are 6 fish in a pond. There is one pond. In that pond, there are 6 fish and 14 more fish. 14 more fish are added in that pond. Okay, so now they are asking you how many fish are there all together. You all can see here, this all together word is there. Yes, children, you all can see that this all together word is there. This means we have to do addition. We have to do addition. Whenever total word, all together, in all, sum, these kind of words are there, this means we have to do addition. So this is, there are in a pond there are 6 fish and 14 more fish are added in that pond, and now they are asking you how many fish are there all together, right? So now what we have to do, we have to do addition here. So we'll write our first statement. This is number of fish in a pond. Start writing. Number of fish in a pond equal to how many fish? 6. Number of fish in a pond equal to 6. Then how many more fish are added? 14. So number of fish added equal to how many? 14. Okay. So number of fish in a pond equal to 6 and number of fish added equal to 14. Now we have to arrange these two numbers in tens and ones column. Now see here children, your first number is 6 and 6 is a 1-digit number. 6 is a 1-digit number, so it has value in ones place. Then your next number is 14, right? And 14 is a 2-digit number, so it has value in ones place and tens place. So we will write that 1 in tens place and we will write 4 in ones place. Okay. So now we have to add this 6 and 14. 6 and 14. Right, so now we'll add the number in ones place first. Okay. Mayuri. Loss. Tanvisri, you tell me 6 plus 4 how much? Start counting after 6 and count forward 4.
The 10, ma'am.
Yeah, that's correct. Very good. So see here children, 6 plus 4 is 10. You will start counting after 6 and you will count forward 4. So 6 plus 4 is 10. So we'll write 0 here in ones place and that 1 will go as carry over in tens place. Right? That 1 will go as carry over in tens place. So now we have to add the number in tens place. We have to add the number in tens place. Mana, unmute yourself. Mana. Mana, tell me how many numbers are there in tens place?
1.
Only one number is there. See, one more number is there as carry over. So how many numbers?
11.
No, Mana, see here. We have 1 here, right? 1 is there and we have written 1 more here as carry over in tens place. So total how many numbers are there?
2 numbers.
Very good. 2 numbers are there. So now tell me, Mana, 1 plus 1 how much? Take out your one finger, Mana. Show me your one finger.
2.
Yeah. 1 plus 1 is 2. So we will write 2 here in tens place. Answer is 2020. Very good, Mana. So children, your answer is 2020. 6 plus 14 is 20. So we'll write here our last statement. Total number of fish. So total number of fish equal to 2020. 2020 children. Write this fast. Excuse me. Yes, children, write fast. Total number of fish equal to 20. Yes, Ashrita.
Ma'am,
Yes.
completed.
Very good. Good, good. Okay. Is there anyone who is still writing? Yes, children. Is there anyone who is still writing? Again, I am asking, is there anyone who is still writing? So this means you all have completed, right? Fine. So now I'm clearing all this. Okay. So children, this is your last word problem. Write it fast. This is I have 13 books. Okay. You can draw these books or else you can write here I have 13 books. Okay. You can write here books. Book spelling is BOOKS, books. Right? You can write here books also. Then I buy 5 more books. How many books do I have now? Write this question and you have to write this word problem in a new page. This is a picture of a book, children. So you can write here book. I have 13 books. I buy 5 more books. How many books do I have now? Start writing this question. Yes, children, write down fast. Yes. Done? Yes, children, done? Is there anyone who is still writing? Is there anyone who is still writing? Okay, children, note down this word problem in your notebook and we'll do it tomorrow because less than 30 seconds are left now. Write down the